Abdali Grammar School, Oxford Mathematics, Sets, Chapter number 14, Lecture number 4. So let's start our today's lecture. So firstly, we will see the definition of sets. That what is a set? Let's see. A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Class, focus on this point. A set is a collection of well-defined, which means all the objects of the set are well-defined. There is not any ambiguity, any confusion between the objects. Okay, they should be well defined and they should be distinct objects. Distinct means they are different from each other. Okay, there cannot be any repetition. Like if you think that you have a set, like a set A is 1 1 2 2 3 3, then it is not a set because all three elements are getting repeat. In a set, none of the element repeats itself. So a set is a combination of well-defined and distinct objects. Let's see example. Here is an example like a set A. We can name any value to the set. Here is a set, its value is A, and we will write the set in these curly braces, and we will write 1 2 3 4 5 is a set. So it is a set because all the objects are well defined and all the objects are distinct from each other. Here is another example. A set B is a set of English language alphabets. English language alphabets means our alphabets from A to Z. So class, this is also a way to write a set. We can also write it in description form, descriptive form like this example. So a set of English alphabet will contain all the alphabets from A to Z. And we know that all the alphabets are distinct from each other and all the alphabets are well defined. So it also forms a set. Okay? Question is, B is the set of odd positive integers less than 11. Okay, B is a set that contains odd numbers, positive numbers which are less than 10. So, list all the elements of B in set notation. Okay, so let's start its solution. So class, a question will arise in your mind that how to write in set notation. Yes, to write in set notation, we will write the name of the set and we will write all its objects in curly brackets. So, we will write our set B in curly bracket all the objects which are odd numbers and which are less than 11. So odd numbers start from 1, positive odd numbers 1, and after that another odd number is 3, and after 3 other odd number is 5, and after 5 next odd number is 7, and after 7 next odd number is 9, and after 9 next odd number is 11. But we will not write it because in the question statement they have told us that we should write all the odd numbers less than 11, which means that we should not write 11. We will stop when less than 11 all odd numbers are written. Okay, so it is your answer. Now let's move to other parts of this question, which is state whether each of the following statement is true or false. So let's see it. So the question is 1, the sign of E and B. Okay, so we have to tell that whether it is true or whether it is false. So let's start our solution. Now a question will arise is that what does this symbol E and E dash E naught means? So class, listen to me carefully that this symbol E means belongs to and E dash means not belongs to. Okay? E means belongs to and E dash means not belongs to. So now our question means 1 belongs to B. We know that what is B? B is a set of odd positive integers less than 11 which we have written previously. Now we have to tell that if 1 belongs to B, is it true? Think about it. Yes. In B set there is an object which is 1. So 1 belongs to B. So it is true. Okay. Next part is 4 does not belongs to B. So we have to again see our set B, which is a set of odd positive integers. Is 4 is an odd number? No, 4 is not an odd number. That's why 4 does not belongs to B, and here they have written the true statement which is 4 does not belongs to B. So our solution is true. The next part is 0 belongs to B. So again we will see our set which is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Does 0 belongs to this set? Yes, 0 does not belongs to this set, and they have written that 0 belongs to B. So this statement is false. Yes, 0 does not belongs to set B. That's why this statement is false. Okay? And now the last part is 11 does not belongs to B. Yes, it is interesting one because they have tell us to write all the odd positive number which are less than 11. 11 is odd number, 11 is a positive integer, but it is not less than 11. That's why it is not a part of set B. So they have written that 11 does not belongs to B. So our solution is true because yes, 11 does not belongs to B. Okay. Now let's move to the other question, which is state the number of elements in each of the following sets. So now we are going to see some sets and we have to write that how many elements, how many objects are in this set. So part A is months in the year. Yes, we will think about its solution, and suddenly a question will arise in your mind that how to find elements of a set. So class, to find elements of any set, firstly we have to see that what is a set, and after it we have to count all its objects, and that will be the answer of our number of elements, number of objects of set. So our part A is months in a year. So we know that in a year we have how many months? January, February, March, April. Yes, how many months in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. So, number of elements of this set is 12. Okay? Now, another part is we have to write odd numbers between 10 and 26. Yes, we are familiar with odd numbers, that odd numbers are numbers that are not divisible by 2. So, between 10 and 26, our odd number starts from 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23 and 25. So there are total 8 odd numbers between 10 to 26. Now the next part is people in your class who are taller than you. So for this question, you have to think about your class and you have to count all the students, all the people that are taller than you. So after counting them, this answer will be your answer. So this part you will do by yourself. Now the next part is we have to write colors in your school flag. So when we think about Pakistani flag, so it has two colors which are green and white. So you have to think about your school flag and you have to write that how many colors are there. So this part you will do by yourself. Okay? And the next part is colors of a rainbow. Okay. Yes class, you know that what is a rainbow? A rainbow is formed after rainfall. So a rainbow has how many colors? A rainbow has 7 colors. So the elements of this set is 7. Okay. And the next part is horoscope signs. Our horoscope signs are our signs of our stars or horoscopes, which are Gemini, Cancer, Leo, etc. And there are total how many horoscope signs? There are total 12 horoscope signs. Okay, so the number of elements in this set are 12. Okay class, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel, which is Abdali Grammar School Official.